Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify Bitfinex account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in bitfinex.com and then go to the home page. Be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of home page, and on the top right corner you'll be seeing your profile icon. And once you hover your arrow over your profile icon or simply just click on it, you'll be seeing these options, and among those options you'll be seeing this option that says verification, right? Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be sent to the account verification page. Now here you'll have three plans, that is your basic plus, intermediate and your full. Now what you need to do is just scroll down, and here you can see the requirements of the plans as well. Like the starter plan has official photo ID, biometric photo, selfie, phone number and address. And the requirements of the intermediate is basic plus, everything in a basic plus, and second for official photo, ID proof of address, and the third is everything in intermediate and basic, and then bank statement as well. Now we are just gonna go to basic. Just click on start verification. And once you click on start verification, here what you need to do is enter in the country that you are from, and then what you need to do is enter in your password, then enter in your national ID, your driving license, and then click on I consent in the process of my biometric data for onboarding. Then click on scan document. And now here what you need to do is continue on mobile. All the documents that you need to upload to this Bitfinex should be done from mobile. Now what you need to do is just click the photo, take your selfie and everything, and once you're done with all that, you'll be sent to this page once again. And here on the account verification, you'll be seeing your account is reviewing, and once your account has been reviewed, your verification is being reviewed, and after a couple of business days your account will be verified. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.